Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100RR in 2,041 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a set of tank pads. As far as naked sport bikes go, they don't get any more thrilling than the Tuono. Powered by a 1077cc V4 engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Tuono produces 175 horsepower and 89 foot-pounds of torque. Backing all of this power are responsive brakes and razor-sharp handling. This bike is equally at home on the street or track and weighs in at 405 pounds with a 32.5-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.